Hello, my sweet dear friends. I hope you all are going well. Welcome back to our channel Care and Hope. Today we are going to discuss on a very sweet creature on this earth, that is Meow. And with us, Dr. Sama Haldar is here. Sir, nowadays this cat it's very familiar and it's very loving pet for everyone. Now everyone is keeping this cat at home, they love just like a family member. It's very furry, fluffy. So sir, please tell me, there are many problems we can see at home or domestic cats or street cats. At first, please tell me, is rabies is found in cats or what are the symptoms? Help me.
See, ma'am, rabies is a very dreadful disease, very deadly disease in the sense, once if there is any rabies attack is there in any human, that is, there is no treatment of rabies. So, animal or human will die. And as it is a communicable disease, that is zoonotic disease, basically from the animal to human that will go, and that disease in human, there is no treatment. Human will die. That's why it is very, very important. And another important thing is that rabies can be controlled by using the vaccines. Rabies is having different type of symptoms including excessive salivation, there will be the changes in behavior. In dog, one dumb form is there, but I have not seen in cat any dumb form. Means animal will be a very calm and quiet and will sit in one corner, that is in the dark corner of the house. But in cat, the over-excess cat will be excited and will be aggressive. That I have seen many cats which is having this rabies with very aggressive behavior. Cat will not be able to eat properly. There will be severe drooling of salivation will be there. And another important thing is that rabies can be controlled by using the vaccines. If vaccines are being done, rabies will not be there.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, nowadays everyone is loved with furry animals, okay? So one of them, cats breed. So many people we will find, we can see that they keep at home furry animals like cat, or sometimes we find roaming cats here and there on the street. But few people, what do they, during feeding cat, so they feed with hands, and cats, they scratch on their hands or any part of the body with their nails, or they bite with their sharp teeth. So is it dangerous when a cat bites?
Cat bite is always dangerous. That not only the bite, if the cat scratches also, that is you have to take the maximum care, in the sense as cat is having the natural habit of grooming constantly, particularly on their paws. So saliva, there is a chances of the salivation will remain there in the claws. Cat will scratch, that salivation may come and come in contact with the circulation of the other animal. So every chances are there. If that cat is having the rabies infection, so that with that salivation, that rabies infection may come and in contact with the other animal which has been scratched by that particular cat. So chances of the rabies are everywhere. If the cat has scratched any human being, so immediately that cut area you have to clean with the detergent soap first. Then you clean with at least for 5 minutes with their detergent soap or detergent powder, washing powder. Then you put the betadine and immediately you contact with your physician. That anti-rabies vaccines are also there, and one specialized clinic in Calcutta is there, Belagata ID Hospital. They are doing very, very good job. So if anything is happened like that, any history is there, please refer. They are in the Belagata ID. They are having a separate unit of rabies unit.
Okay, so viewers from Calcutta who all are watching our channels and suffering from rabies through animals bite or their pet bites can visit to ID Hospital, Biliaghata, and get good service from there. Cats are having ear mites. So many viewers wants to know what is ear mites or how can we find ear mites in our furry animals like cats? So please help me here.
Ear mites is a problem both in dog and cat. Many times you will see in our dog or cat, after cleaning, you are cleaning the ear regularly, but after within 2 or 3 days, if you see the ear, you will see a very blacky type of secretions are coming, or very sticky blacky deposition is there inside the ear. In cat it is common, in dog also it is common. So those ear mites are one external parasites. Those parasites will be staying in the ear and they will propagate very quickly and they will form this type of secretion. And you do the treatment properly, your ear mites can be controlled very easily with different type of drugs.
What are the basic infections like fungal infections we can find in our furry cats?
Ma'am, you told very rightly, not only the fungal infections, the skin diseases are also common. Like dog, among the skin diseases, fungal infection is one of the categories of skin infection. There are several categories are there. One most important skin infection in cat is the flea bite allergy. Efficient treatments are also available. You have to diagnose early, and then if you do the treatment, all will be cured. Fungal infection, otherwise we call is a ringworm. What will happen there? There is a ring like alopecia, means loss of hair will be there in a ring manner from the body. That is the primary indication that ringworm is happening in the body. So subsequently we have to go to the veterinarians and they will give the treatment after doing the physical examination. And as we know, antifungals are always hepatotoxic, means that will cause the problem in the liver. So doctor will give the proper liver protection. If the doctor think, they will go for one blood test of liver function test or some other test, and he will definitely give some of the antifungal agent. My advice is not only give the oral antifungals as well as some topical application, means local applications of some of the things are also needed. It is evident that every year during the monsoon season, then this type of problem will come recurrently in a particular time of the year.
Sir, my teeny mini friends wants to know, after cat bites, what time it takes to attack human like rabies disease?
Yes, that is the thing you are asking for, incubation period. Incubation period is the period when after exposing to any infection, it will take some time to develop in the particular animals or humans body. This period is called the incubation period. This, in case of rabies, generally 2 to 6 weeks it takes for develop the rabies symptoms in human or other animal. But it has been recorded in many journals that as short as 10 days minimum, after 10 days also that symptoms may develop in the animals or human beings. And as long as 20 years, can you imagine, 20 years back one dog or cat has scratched you or bitten you, you was fine, but after 20 years the rabies developed in your body. So dangerous it is that if the dogs and cats are domesticated or is having the particular pet parent, definitely they are taking care of the anti-rabies vaccines.
Thank you, friends. We are getting loads and loads of love to our channel Care and Hope. Please be with us. We have got many questions regarding FIP disease. So is this life-threatening disease, and how can we find that our cats are suffering with FIP disease?
Yes, ma'am. This FIP stands for feline infectious peritonitis, and feline infectious peritonitis is such a disease. All of you know that we have come across the coronavirus pandemic. So this is one type of coronavirus infection in cat. So what happens? This is again of two types, one effusive and non-effusive. Effusive means something where there is accumulation of the fluid, or those things are called effusive. So effusive or wet type of this FIV means there will be the accumulation of the fluid, your abdomen will be distended, accumulation of fluid in the lungs, there will be very respiratory distress, and patient will die, animal will die. Generally, this is a viral infection, my advice, sincere advice, to go for vaccination, completely secured from this type of disease. So FIP, what madam was telling, that as it is a very dreadful disease, that gastrointestinal problems are much more, and respiratory problem is also there. What happens? Some fever will be there in your pet, and those fever will not respond in the antibiotics for a long time. If such thing happens, definitely you have to contact with your veterinarians. Now you can remember that in coronavirus infection, how much we suffered. Like same, the corona, this is the feline corona, and your cat will suffer from the coronavirus infection. And as it is a viral disease, it is very contagious. From one cat to another cat, very quickly it will spread. So very be careful. Once your pet has been diagnosed with FIP, so keep that cat in quarantine. That means keep separately. These infected cats should not mix with the other healthy cats. If it is like that, then definitely it will spread like anything within few days or few hours. So other cats will suffer.
Thank you, sir. Dear pet lovers, please keep eye on your activities of furry animals. It's very dangerous disease FIP, as sir has explained us. Sir, please tell me now, next disease is FIV. What is that?
FIV, ma'am, if you think, it is same as the HIV in human. All of we know HIV, that is human immunodeficiency disease. Same FIV is the feline immunodeficiency disease. The immunodeficiency means always it is same, that your immunity will fall down and any disease may attack you. And if those diseases attack, chances of the suffering will be much more. So there will be the skin infection, respiratory infection, and any type of infections, or if it is there viral infection, fungal, from other cat, it will come in the body. And some FIVs are very dormant stage. Your cat will survive for a long time without any symptoms. But if these diseases are getting progressed, then your cat will suffer from many diseases. What I am telling repeatedly for everything, that as vaccines are available, always go for vaccinations. Prevention is always better than cure. HIV's treatments are very complicated, so better to go for vaccination, and can be very easily controlled through vaccinations.
Thank you so much, sir. Today we have got very knowledgeable answers through sir, that what is FIP, what is FIV. It's very deadly disease found in cats. So be careful, dear pet lovers. Oh my god, very little time is left. So I think I have to say bye-bye to you all. But I would like to thank you, my viewers. Thank you, sir. And today we were having very important discussion on our favorite meow. Dear viewers, who all are watching our channel first time, please like our channel, subscribe our channel, so that you will get regular notification for each and every episodes. I hope you all are liking our channel. So please give your queries through comments. Dr. Sama Haldar is a very good veterinary doctor. So please contact him and ask your queries whatever you are having. Thank you all. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time here. Thank you, friends.